Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make these pretty red and white earrings, for which I will make 6 rings. 3 of them will be white, 3 of them would be red, and then I'll attach them to hooks. For the first part of the project, we're going to make these cute rings, and then for the second part I'll attach them to the earring hooks, and I'll show you how to do that. The thing that I really love about these earrings and this project is that you don't have to be 100% accurate with the number of stitches, so you can kind of ballpark it and relax in front of the TV and not worry about counting too heavily. So it's a very relaxing project for me. Let's begin. I'm using this cotton yarn, a 1mm crochet hook. To make this ring, what I'm going to do is wrap the yarn around my small finger, and I'm going to do that 5 times. And then remove it from my finger so you'll have this ring. Insert my hook into the ring, grab the yarn to make a loop, and then I'll begin crocheting and make a slip stitch. And then I'll start making single crochets all the way around this ring. This is kind of a repetitive task, which I love doing while watching TV or listening to music. So I'll finish this ring by doing a slip stitch in that first stitch, and then pull the yarn through. I always love to do from here is just hiding that one tail end, which is easy enough. Just pick a small crochet hook if you're using thin yarn, because you're gonna mess up the stitching if it's too thick. Alright, let's cut these excess threads. So that's it, that's the ring. And as I said, you don't really have to make them exactly the same size because they're not sitting parallel to each other, so you wouldn't notice whether you have one extra stitch. I have about 19 single crochets on here, but if your finger is a little bit thicker than mine, then it might be a bit more. For the next part of the project, we're going to attach these hooks. Close it. And I'm going to alternate red and white. Attach the red to the white. Keep attaching one to the next, so from here on. Oops, I didn't close the red one properly. There we go. Yeah, make sure they're closed properly so they don't come off. I will keep building up from here. The next one will be red. and that will go with the white. I'll do one more white. And then I will do one more red. So this is what it looks like. From here, I'm going to attach this to my hook. And there, they're so cute. All you need to do next is make one more of these earrings and then you're good to go. You can make these earrings in different colors or just one, your favorite color. I hope you enjoyed this very easy earring project. And as you can see, this red and white colors are perfect to wear in March for Baba Marta celebration. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.